from the base of the wrist, we will get two of the patient's fingers and place at the base of the thumb. These two fingers are over the styloid process of the radius. This point is directly located after the finger. So he takes, you notice there's a tiny hollow located in the styloid process of the wrist, which is located right here. Go to the most distal transverse wrist crease and we will draw a line. Approximately 1/10 width or 1/4 inch approximately distal from that is a second wrist crease. Drawing a line between the fourth and fifth fingers straight down to the second wrist crease will locate a point called heart 7. It's at the fourth intercostal, just below the nipple line. So if we slide down and find the first intercostal space, the second intercostal space, the third intercostal space, and the fourth intercostal space, and slide to the midline and press, it's quite tender. This point is called conceptual vessel 17.